No, I'm not going to argue with you, brother, but I was right about June. You just don't know it. A lot of things happened in June. See, I'm going to make a point to you right now, to each and every one of you, because I love you and care for you. I explained this before about the Maya, December 21st, 2012. They never said it was going to be the end of the world. That was twisted by Satan. That's a lie. And I'm going to take you back in history again, because that's what I like to do. I like to prove myself. People can't debunk me. They can't debunk me about the Great Lakes. They can't debunk me about the Nibiru. They can't debunk me about Ison. I told everybody weeks ago. True Ray asked me a question, I think it was, and I said, did a giant CAT scan on it. It's in 3 pieces. It has a crack in it. It's true. But let's get back to Maya, December 21st, 2012. What they said is December 21st, 2012, you enter the dark rift. And I explained this to you before, and I'm going to explain it again real quick here. Imagine 2 hurricanes in space, spinning in an opposite direction. In the outer bands of each one of these hurricanes is the brown dwarf in its solar system and Earth in its solar system, your sun. They're traveling in an opposite direction, but they're getting closer and closer together. They don't collide together, but they're getting closer and closer together as they spin in an opposite direction and come closer and closer and closer. All that debris from you and them is coming at each other. And again, Russia, meteorite, Ison. This is just the beginning. And that's what they said. You enter the dark rift. Now Lucifer twisted it all around because he says, well, it never happened. Go back to sleep. Don't worry about it. Well, I'm going to tell you a story. We're going to go back in history now. Okay? And I'm going to give you some facts. And I want any one of you out there to go debunk me what I'm saying right now to you. I want you to debunk me. Because you can't debunk me. Okay? Because I am who I say I am. I know these things. For I've seen them. The Maya got it right. You's got it wrong. Right now, it says it's 1:34 p.m. 9/19/2013. That's a lie. That computer clock, the one that was invented by Lucifer, that clock's wrong. That's not God's clock. That's not God's calendar. That's not the correct time. That's not the correct date. Here's the challenge. The Maya's calendar and clock is more precise than your clock is today. Now, how they do that? They ain't got computers. They ain't got electricity. They didn't have calculators. They didn't have nothing except the stars. Debunk that. Go back and do your research. Their calendar and their clock is more precise than your computerized clock and date and time is today. It's more accurate. The Maya's is more accurate than yours is today. Now, how could that possibly be? Because they're on God's calendar and time. They're on the right time and on the right calendar. You are not. Debunk that.